Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about another illegal party that has been taking place in Jamaica. And it says 2 shot dead, at least 13 injured at a illegal party in Westmoreland. I know I come from Westmoreland, so I had to talk about this. It says 2 farmers have been killed and at least 13 others are nursing gun-related and other injuries received during an illegal party in Gordon District in White House, Westmoreland last night. The dead man have been identified as 30-year-old Kayshawn Blair, otherwise called Coco, farmers of Petersville District, Westmoreland, and 31-year-old Mark Hothead Morgan, former of Gordon District, Westmoreland. This is the second fatal shooting at an unauthorized event over the weekend, bringing fatalities to 4. During the illegal gathering in Old Brinton, Portmore last Friday, 2 men allegedly members of the Tesha Miller faction of the Klansman gang were killed and several others injured. The police say in Sunday's illegal party, about 8 p.m., one man reportedly had an altercation with another patron. He then left and returned with a firearm and shot and killed the man with whom he had a dispute, as well as other patrons. During the attempts by partygoers to escape the fury, broken glass and splinters injured several patrons. The Gleaner gathered that the area hospital and staff were overwhelmed with trauma as the injured were rushed for treatment. Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, head of Police Communication Arm CCU, confirmed the shooting. The police also used the platform to implore persons to desist from hosting these illegal parties. Investigation into both illegal events and incidents are ongoing. So honestly, I feel like Westmoreland especially feel like they probably have a low amount of cases, COVID cases, so they can get away with stuff like this. But this is when stuff goes wrong, when you least expect it and when you think you're in the clear, because you guys think Westmoreland have a low amount of cases and we can just keep party and do it thing. And a lot of people with COVID are asymptomatic, okay? They don't show any signs or symptoms. They don't have any issues until they take the COVID test and it comes back positive. So anybody with the other party there, if one person is asymptomatic and have COVID, then everybody is probably going to be infected. Jamaican people too unruly and they don't like to follow rules, laws, and regulation. That's why sometimes I can't feel sorry for our people, because they put themselves in bad situations and then expect people to feel sorry for them. And in this case, I can't say I feel bad for anybody. I don't like people losing their life, but they know that this is illegal party and this should not be happening, especially now when everywhere is under curfew and we're going through a pandemic. Why is it so hard for my people to just listen and follow rules, laws, and regulation? But comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.